Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really fun ombre and nail dot nail design. So on the clean makeup sponge, I'm going to apply this really pretty blue that I got from China Glaze, and then I'm going to apply a mint green. I just love that color combo together. On top of it, this is a really easy and simple ombre to recreate. You can do it any kind of color combos that you want, and I know that it's winter time and we're supposed to do more darker colors, but I just thought that this just is a fun look, and I just love adding colorful nail designs, so who cares? Either way, this is a really easy design to recreate, like I said, because it's just two colors and you just kind of blend it together by going up and down and creating that nice ombre look to the design. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and I'm going to clean around my nails. It's like I said, it's really something simple to recreate, and you can do it with any kind of colors. Then using my nail data, I'm just going to do the opposite of colors. So in the blue, I'm going to put mint green. And in the mint green, I'm going to add blue dots. I did the design the first time I opened up my Instagram account, and I never did it again, but I just always thought that this was such a cute look, and for someone that's just starting out with doing ombres or nail design, this is a perfect design to recreate. Now once I was done, I added my quick dry top coat, and that was it. Really simple, easy design. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.